congratulations here with Healthy Hydration.
Wow, thank you.
You're
I really appreciate that.
We appreciate you.
Yes, this is wonderful. Can I open it and
Open
look
it
at
up.
it?
Take a look at your first check here as an affiliate
Oh,
with us.
wow, nice.
And what do you feel? How are you excited?
That is awesome. I'm very excited. I'm very excited.
Compared to what you're making in your job, you had one client that bought the whole house water system.
Yes, it takes me a week to do this.
Awesome.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, one sale.
One
Thank
sale.
you so much.
Yep. And how long have you been in the company now?
A short time. I think, 2.5 months?
Yep.
I think 2.5 months. And made one home unit sale to a couple.
Yep.
And they absolutely love it. The gentleman's wife is walking around Lowe's and their feet aren't hurting and they're getting better circulation in their legs.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Does it make you feel good?
Oh, yes, just helping them out. That's the main thing, helping them out. And then the rewards are right here.
Awesome.
And thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate
Cheers.
it.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
And if you are interested in our affiliate program, make sure to go to our website, Healthy Hydration, and fill out the affiliate form at the top, and you can be one of our lucky affiliates too.
Absolutely. Thank you.